Are you looking for energy-efficient windows in Duchesne, Utah? If your home's windows were installed years ago, chances are they're not energy efficient. This means you're likely paying higher energy bills from having to run your furnace or air conditioner frequently. At Advanced Window Products, we provide the highest quality windows on the market, and they're designed to beautify your home and lower your energy bills. So, if you're ready to save big in Duchesne, Utah, contact Advanced Window Products for a free window estimate. We offer a double lifetime warranty, and we make it easy to get your brand new windows with our $0 down, 0% interest financing. Plus, a portion of every sale goes to support charitable organizations such as Make-A-Wish Utah and Habitat for Humanity. Make the right choice when it comes to replacing your home's windows. Contact Advanced Window Products today at 801-505-9622 or get an online quote at advancedwindowsusa.com.